I gotta just do too much, bro. I gotta do too much to keep certain characters off, and they just jump, spam shit. I'm in a combo for like half the fucking round. They gotta patch the hell out of this game, because it just, a lot of shit shouldn't even be in here. Yeah, but like I said, me personally, yeah, it looks like there's I got a stalker. I got stalkers in Tetris. That's what I'm saying. Once you guys like, once you see that you're physically attracted to a woman, you got to really start digging deep and, you know, breaking her down. They're like smart girls. I mean, I don't care if you're smart or dumb, because I could turn you smart. I mean, if you're smart, we're just gonna have tougher debates. And if you're dumb or not as smart, I'll turn you smart to where we could still have tougher debates. So it don't really matter to me. You can morph somebody into something better.
I'd shower you with coconut cream pies.
시스템을 콜.
Revolver theory.
It just, it don't even look real. It's not even I can't believe this shit. What the fuck? So the moose, like, it broke its leg on a highway. I don't know. I'm all right. I guess I'm all right at DNF duel. I ain't gonna admit I'm good, but I'll admit I'm all right. Nah, you one of these type of players. Fucking dumbass nigga. I'm already annoyed at this clown. Thirsty ass fucking nigga, thirsty as fuck. Feel good you can finally do combos in games? Fucking fucker. As long as in certain matchups, if I could just keep a grenade on the ground, I should be alright. Alright, let's just run full screen and then just do MP. Here we fucking go, man. Alright, I just lost half my life for what? Spam DP, connected to a combo. Oh, spam it again. Connected to a combo. God. This motherfucker. You run into this fucking BBC. Me, pussy. Fucking sorry. This is not skill, bro. This is not skill. It's half-life gone. This makes me sick, bro. I hate this character with a passion. Didn't I just tell you I'm playing the worst character in the game, you dumbass? Bro, this nigga just wake up spamming, bro. This is definitely deliberately done on purpose. This many people don't play striker. Oh my god. This is fucking ridiculous, bro. Just getting swiped through by the most trash players. I'm probably gonna get cooked by this nigga, bro. I just don't want to lose my ranking. I just got perfect. I'm just not playing patient enough. That's all it is. People are scrubs. Trying to infinite me and shit. Of course. Oh, I lost. Too easy to lose to people in this game, man. Gears, nigga. It's taking so long. Gears. You can like literally see the gaps in his shit, so. Wow, that's a combo. Oh my god. So I'm saying you never have, there's never nobody noble that plays these fighting games. They all want to play easy mode, cheap ass characters. Don't nobody really want to work. Everybody wants to play cheap characters. You're not good, nigga. Alright, get this off my fucking screen. Dude jumped out of the corner on grenade pressure. Oh, this game is fucking... Bro, I'm just doing whatever at this point. Nah, I'm just fucking around. I'm not even taking it. I wasn't even looking at what I was stacking. I was looking at what I had next. Define happiness if humans can't obtain it. I'm talking about myself. Certain people might find happiness in lemon meringue pie. There's people on earth that find happiness in the simplest of things, but I'm not one of those particular people. Yo, why am I getting, why do I get attacked so crazy in this game? It's not even realistic. Like how I get attacked. It's almost deliberate. Bro, it doesn't even make sense how fast I lose. Wow. Well, for some reason I just got crazy attacked. Yeah, fuck this, bro. Yeah, personally, in order to like live by yourself without struggling, you got to be making like at minimum $25 an hour, and that's pushing it. I would say comfortably 30. And why would you be, just because you mashed EX through that shit, it shows you're a scrub. Like, come on, nigga. Why would you mash through that? You didn't even know if I dropped the combo or not. If you drop one thing, there's a DP mash through it. It's a waste of my time. You niggas are trash. Fucking dumbass. I don't even give a f kicking you out this mother anyway. Fucking garbage. You call this our Gokin, bruh? This is a joke. Just take the win. I don't even give a shit. Take it. You're gone. If you're mashing through me literally trying to do a combo and I see a DP mash through because I dropped the frame, I'm gonna kick you. It's a waste of my time. Your Gokin was horrible. are these niggas doing EX criminal upper like it's a DP? Wow, wake up bingo? What? Fucking dumbass. Oh. Oh, you're doing incorrect shit. Yo, what was that dude's name? If he rejoins, I'm gonna just pick Rose and destroy him real quick.